Hi, today I'll be explaining the most common guinea pig sounds and behaviours and what they mean. Guinea pigs are very vocal animals, so they have a whole array of sounds that they use to communicate. The first sound I'll cover is chatting. This is a quiet squeak which you will hear very often as a guinea pig owner. They chat to each other all day and they may also chat to you too. Second is wheeking. This is the sound that everyone associates with guinea pigs. It's surprisingly loud for such small animals, and it's most often used to beg for food. Your pigs may also wheek for attention or to show excitement. Next up is popcorning. This is an explosion of excitement or happiness that guinea pigs can't seem to contain. They will jump in the air, throw their head to the side, and sometimes kick out their legs. New owners can sometimes mistake it for some kind of fit because it can look very strange. Next is Zoomies. This is a guinea pig simply having fun. They love to run and will sometimes have a big burst of energy and zoom around. Next I'll cover rumble strutting. This is a very common dominance behaviour that both boars and sows will do. It's not aggressive and it is no reason to be concerned. Once your piggies are bonded, they'll still do this to each other to remind them who is boss. Rumble strutting is also done when a boar wants to mate with a sow. Next, I'll mention humping. This is another normal dominance behaviour that both boars and sows will do. Again, it's nothing to worry about. They should be left to sort out their hierarchy without interfering. Time to cover teeth chattering. This sound usually means that the guinea pig is annoyed. They might be telling another guinea pig to stop doing something annoying, or they might be annoyed at you if you're not bringing their dinner fast enough. Lastly, we have submissive squeaks. These are usually longer and a bit more desperate sounding than their other squeaks. A submissive guinea pig will do this towards a dominant one, particularly if they're displaying their dominance, to tell them that they aren't a threat. And that's all of the main guinea pig sounds and behaviours covered. I hope you found this useful and it helps you to understand your guinea pigs a little bit better. Thank you for watching.